Hey guys, has it ever happened to you कि group of friends है and you want to go to a party place but काफ़ी ज़्यादा problems आती है जब हमको decide करना होता है where would we want to party, because sometimes it happens that one of your friend would want to go to have Italian, one would say कि मुझे Thai खाना है, and the third person would want to have Indian food. So conclusion कुछ नहीं निकलता and we end up sitting at our house and we end up going nowhere. Imagine a restaurant which serves all the world cuisines under one roof. Imagine a restaurant where you would get different kind of cuisines which would suit to each one of your friends. That restaurant is none other than Italiano. Italiano, meaning Italian in Latin, was established 10 years ago. It has got Best Italian Casual Dining Restaurant Award in Delhi and NCR. Looking at the interiors, you'll feel mesmerized because it has one of the most beautiful and romantic outdoor and indoor seating arrangements in DLF Cyber City. Italiano has introduced a new concept which says Italiano goes global, where now you'll get to eat all the world cuisines and not just Italian food. So today we have with us head chef of Italiano restaurant, Mr. Anuj.
Hello, hi everyone. My name is Chef Anuj and I am working in Italiano as a chef de cuisine. Now, earlier we are serving only one cuisine, Italian authentic, like pizzas, pastas, salads and authentic homemade pastas on. Now we are going global. So we are serving several cuisines like Oriental, Japanese, Pan-Asian cuisine under one roof.
So Anuj, what makes these global cuisines that you've curated so unique and so different from the rest of the restaurant?
First of all, I will let you know we are using the local and seasonal product. We have passed the Corona time and all, and we learned so many things to produce things of India only, to go local and go vocal.
Wow.
So that's our main focus.
So hearing the head chef, I'm already salivating. Let's see क्या अनुज हमें आज स्पेशल खिलाते हैं. So starting a meal with some Mediterranean touch. This platter which I have here is called the dips platter. The speciality about this dips platter is that it also represents their focus on vocal for local. If you see these pita breads, usually it's topped with zyada spices, but here they've used beetroot and parsley. Along with the pita breads, we have here lavash and some freshly made guacamole dip and a salsa dip. I really like the homely feeling that this platter is giving me. So what you're supposed to do is take out the spoon, muddle it a little bit, take it out. Then you can just take a full spoonful of fresh guacamole, chop it up with this and eat. So this mocktail is called Pomegranate and Basil Dream. It indeed looks dreamy because of the perfect purple pinkish color. Let's try. Wow. It's very refreshing. How they've made it is that they added a lot of pomegranate seeds and basil, which the chef muddled together in the same glass. Then they added a lot of ice cubes and also a bit of soda and a lot of fresh pomegranate juice. How good is that? Next up that I'm going to try is an Oriental platter. Looks really beautiful. Now let me tell you what all does this platter have inside it. So these dim sums are the dim sums of the day. The color is from natural spring onions and the filling is of chicken and spring onions. Here we have some juicy chicken satay. Can't wait to try it. And also we have these chicken skewers The center is of lemongrass. Oh my god, it's really juicy that it's falling right now. And now let's try the chicken satay. Let me dip it in this soy sauce. The sauce is really lovely. The chicken doesn't have a lot of spices, but a lot of flavor gets added when you dip it in this chili and soy sauce. Wow. One of the best chicken skewers I've ever had. It's really soft, and the most unique thing is the aroma of that lemongrass which is coming from this inside stick, and it's literally very soft. As you can see, it is rolling from top to bottom. Absolutely yum and a must try thing. Next up, let's take you to the streets of Thailand. What we have here is a Bangkok style Somtong raw papaya salad. So raw papaya salad is famous for giving you all those 4 flavors. It's salty, it has the crunchy peanuts on the top, it is sour because of the lime vinaigrette that they use, and salty because of the soy sauce. So yeah, try. Wow. Now, chalo chalte hain Italian streets pe. And to feel that you're in Italy, here we have a Napolitan pizza. Napolitan pizza is famous for the type of crust it has. It's a little chewy. This one variant is called the truffle Napolitan pizza, which is topped with mushroom sauce and exotic mushroom. So the crust is very different from the usual pizzas that you'll have. This one's a little chewy. Also, this gives you a feel of eating sourdough. They've actually fermented the bread or the dough of the bread for 48 hours before making this pizza, making it all the more special and unique and different from the rest of the brands. Wow. From Italy, I'm going to go to Japan. Here we have Urumaki sushi, and the first sushi जो हम आज try करेंगे is a vegetarian sushi. So this vegetarian sushi has a center filling of carrots, asparagus, and is topped with some mushroom sauce. Now we are in Burma. So this Burmese khao suey has Thai yellow curry paste, coconut milk, has some fried noodles and some normal noodles inside it.
Italiano also serves a wide variety of desserts which are completely vegan. So if you follow vegan diet, you must try these 3 amazingly delicious and yummy desserts.
Wow. Yum. Cheers. Thank you so much, Anush, for all the lovely dishes and unique drinks. And you guys, you know where to come when you visit Cyber City next time. And to all my friends, you know next party अगर करनी हो और अपने बड़े गैंग के साथ आना हो तो where to come. Italiano is the place for you.